Time now for our weekly market monitor, who's finding opportunity in some small cap names he says you want to own long term. This is his first time joining us on the program. He's Matt Finn with Thrivent Financial. Matt, welcome. Don't be nervous. Sue and I are very nice people. You're going to enjoy this. It's going to be painless. We're going to begin by taking something that cures pain. Your first pick is a liquor company. Tell us which one and what they do.
Hi, Tyler. Hi, Sue. This is a really great company. MGPI Ingredients is a low-cost wholesaler of liquor to branded companies like Diageo. So as you may know, brown liquor sales have been increasing in recent years after decades of decline. And that benefits them because the profits from brown liquor are higher than white liquor. So you get decent sales growth, better profit growth for the next several years.
People are drinking more ryes and bourbons, I know. Do they make bourbons that whose brands I would know, or do they sell them as private label, or what? I don't understand quite what they do.
Right, they wholesale to Diageo, who makes the Bulleit Rye brand, for example, Seagram 7, and hundreds of other brands. They actually supply the wholesale liquor, and one of the other nice things about their business is they sell one-year-old brown liquor for one price. If they age it 4 years, they sell it for 2.5 times that price. So they are putting liquor into inventory, which helps their margins as they sell the older liquor over time.
And if you have too much of that brown liquor, you might need a little coffee, which is where Cott Corporation comes in, right?
Yeah, Cott Corporation is a solid business. They are one of the largest companies delivering coffee and water to homes and businesses in North America and the United Kingdom. What management has done is they sold the declining private label beverage and bottling business. So what you're left with is decent top line, better operating profit growth, and lots of free cash flow.
Kirby Corporation is your third choice. What do they do, and where do you see the price going?
Well, Kirby is a cyclical company. They are one of the largest companies that transport refined products and chemicals on barges in the Mississippi River system in the Gulf of Mexico. Their sales were $2.5 billion in 2014. Now they're $1.8 billion. The stock's been cut in half. We think that business is going to tighten up over the next several years, and you can get that stock back to close to its prior highs.
Now, what about the time period? How long would you recommend the individual investor hold these stocks?
Well, I think that MGP Ingredients is a longer-term hold. I think that Cott Corporation, if it got ahead of itself in the mid-20s, we may look to cut that back. And then in the case of Kirby Corporation, I think that's a name that you hang on for the upcoming cycle, which could be 3 to 5 years.
Matt, it was pretty easy, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was great. Thanks for your time, Tyler. Thanks, Sue.
All right, Matt. Matt Finn with Thrivent Financial.